Surprise! Release 6 is here.
Yay!
And it's gonna change your life. What? Your digital life. Get ready to be more productive, more efficient, more organized, more inspired, more creative, and more! From our Google Drive integration to the ability to make teams in Bublup, I bet you'll be just as excited as we are. Let the unboxing begin. I'm gonna start with my favorite feature, drumroll! Introducing the Bublup's Google Drive integration. Now you can create a new Google document, sheet, slide in any of your folders. It gets even better. You can visually customize each file too. Yep, no more boring old previews. Treat your Google Doc just like any other content in Bublup. You want to link your Google account with Bublup in order for this to work. Let's give this thing a spin. First, we'll find our folder, the plus button, and select Doc in your pizza wheel. Enter in your title, select your document type, click create, and you're ready to go. Another cool thing about this integration is that you can sync your documents in Bublup. So let's say you decided to change the title of a document. Our sync feature allows you to update your document's title and preview, so your saved item in Bublup looks as it should. All you have to do is go to the Items menu, then select Sync Title and Image. Ta-da! You're welcome. In Release 6, we're taking security to a whole nother level to help you protect your stuff. Introducing Bublup's Face ID, Touch ID, Smart Lock, Passcode Security. When you go into My Info, tap right there, then go to Lock App, toggle on the Lock app when not in use, select your preferred time frame, and ta-da! No one else but you will have access to your stuff. Unless your partner knows your password, then they'll have access to your stuff. Alright, next feature. Worry not about losing your progress when writing a note. Notes automatically saves as soon as you stop typing. Yep, just check out the top of your note and see when it was last saved. Better yet, in a group folder, you can see who edited it and when it was saved last. Yay! Are you tired of recreating your folders from your desktop in Bublup? I know I am. Well, dare I say, we just made it easier. You can just grab the main folder and drag it straight into My Stuff. And boom. Whoa, that was a sneeze. All you have to do is grab the main folder and drag it straight into My Stuff, and Bublup will take care of the rest. Thank you, Bublup. If you're more of a clicker and not a drag and dropper, all you gotta do is use that Blue Plus button to open up your pizza wheel, select Doc, click Upload a folder from my computer. Bublup caters to everyone and every file, no matter what its size, shape, and color. Alrighty, our last but most importantly not least, organization and teams. Sound effect! Now you can create a dedicated workspace for your business using the My Organizations folder. Once you're inside the workspace, you can create different teams for your organization, like marketing, engineers, sales, etc. This is a huge time saver. Instead of inviting people individually to a folder, now you can invite your entire team. You can share up to 5 terabytes of storage across your org. You can still manage permissions based on individual needs as necessary. The world is your oyster. The catch? Just upgrade your membership to Pro or Teams. This is a new feature, so give it a go and let us know what you think. We're always evolving based on our users' needs, so do please share with us your feedback. We need your voice for us to grow. And that's not even the end of it. We've got so many more features for you in Release 6. Check them all out in the link below. If you're all about productivity, creativity, and organization, be sure you hit that like and subscribe button. My name is Nikki Pham, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!